Do you want to know how to get My AI on Snapchat? Well, then you have come to the right video because in this tutorial, I am going to show you exactly how to do it. But make sure to watch this video until the very end so that you don't make any mistakes during the process. Snapchat has recently released an AI chatbot called My AI. And in this video, I will demonstrate how to access and use it. If you don't already have it on your Snapchat, I will also show you an alternative method to obtain it. Previously, this feature was exclusive to Snapchat Plus, which required a paid subscription, but now it's available to all Snapchat users. The first step I recommend is to open the Google Play Store or the Apple App Store and check if there are any updates available for the Snapchat app. You need to ensure that you have the latest version of Snapchat to access My AI. Once you have updated the app, open Snapchat and navigate to your chat page. My AI should be the first thing you see at the top. Simply click on it to access the chatbot. It can answer any of your questions, similar to other chatbots like ChatGPT, for example. This chatbot allows for a lot of back and forth interaction, and you also have various settings available. To access the settings, click on the profile icon for My AI, which appears on the top right. By pressing the three dots, you can modify the settings, just like you would do with any of your friends on Snapchat. If you don't see the My AI option, go to your profile picture, click on the settings icon, and scroll all the way down to the support section. From there, click on I Need Help, and under this page, there should be a tab for My AI. Click on it, and if you select How do I access it, it will provide you with instructions. Keep in mind that the feature might be rolling out slowly, which could be the reason why it's not available for you yet. We hope you enjoyed our video. If you found it helpful, please show your support by hitting the like button and subscribing to our channel. If you have any questions or comments about the topic we covered today, we'd love to hear from you in the comment section below. Thanks for watching, and we hope you have a fantastic day.